what a Christmas we've had. Looks like I'm back in the cold shed. It is absolutely freezing outside. We got wind, we got rain, we got everything here in Wales. I hope you've had a wonderful Christmas and a happy new year. What's up and coming? Oh look, Father Christmas let me keep that wing after all. Anyway, if you look up there, you can see there's 3 Vulcans. Now those Vulcans are actually made from Depron Foam, and I've got 3 of them. Why have I got 3 of them? I built the first one and made it a little bit too heavy, and it was pretty much an experimental version. The second one, I built a series of 4, which I sold 3 of them. I decided to keep the one, so it's pretty much a Mark II version with all the improvements that I learned from the first one. And the third one is actually an EDF version, which I modified the design to have an EDF one. Now what I'm going to do, or what I would like to do, unless you tell me you don't want to see it, but I'm going to actually do a little photo journal, do a little slideshow to show you how they were built. Let me introduce you to Depron Foam. For those who don't know, Depron Foam is basically foam board, and you can glue it together. You can glue it together to make whatever. They just made these for holding bits. But you can glue them together, you can make shapes, and you can actually bend them. This responds very much like balsa wood. It weighs nothing, as you can see it's quite light, and basically whatever they say the thickness in balsa wood, so if you were working with 3mm balsa, you would use 6mm in Depron. So you can use balsa plans, cut Depron, and use this instead of balsa. Hey, that's quite easy. So it can be sanded, it's quite a versatile, it's quite a dense foam. However, it's not like the Depron foam. If this has impact, it will crack, shatter, etc. But you haven't got the little balls fused together that make it look like polystyrene. So this can be worked exactly like balsa, and you do get some good results. See the blue plane here? This is basically a cub wing which I had spare, and I decided to make my own kind of design plane that looked a bit like a cub, a little bit like a storch, trying to make it a little bit more interesting, and that's what I kind of come up with. But this is all made out of Depron. The wing is Depron Foam, and if I open that, you will see I used a little bit of wood, a little bit of balsa, a little bit of foam. Depron is quite versatile, gives you a nice finish, and you can make your own planes. A lot of people use them for making wings. I made the Vulcans. I hope you can't see what's going on the television. That's rule number 1. Don't have a television on when you're vlogging, especially when they decide to go at it. Bit embarrassing. In my cub, boop, 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 in the cub there, I had a camera. I made a deck to go inside, and I put a cockpit on it. So that would be a camera view. And the plan is to get some LEDs behind the display to illuminate the dials. So in the FPV, it's going to look like a full-size plane. That's the plan. There's some of the things I am currently working on. I want to try and concentrate this year on a bit more flying and get some reviews out there of us having fun, rather than me standing in the shed doing little projects. I hope you like the Vulcans. I will introduce you to my Depron Designs page, and that Depron Designs page has the plans that you can print off. I will do a little user guide to building a Vulcan in Depron. It's winter, these are the projects you need to be doing when the weather is pretty miserable out there. And there it is. As you can see, I've kept the bottom grey, and that is the original Depron finish. I was going to see about putting some film on it, and like I said, I haven't done any more. I built this, and like I said, it weighs hardly anything. If I take the cover off, I'll show you under the cockpit, you will see that's Depron Foam. That's the lid. There's a back unit there, and tucked in the back is the EDF motor and a 55 ampere C, which was just enough. So these are the projects, some of the projects that I plan to do this year, and obviously as things come along as well with purchases, don't tell my wife, as I have new purchases, then I will have some little reviews and some talks on the new purchases. But like I said, anyway, I'm absolutely freezing. I want to fix my quad and I'm going in. So I'm still here, I'm still posting, and we got lots to do, and I'm going to get some flying in, I promise. Thanks for watching Team Woolly Sheep Reviews, and keep watching and subscribe. Click the button below, and there's plenty more coming. So I'll see you soon. Bye.